Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Tradingview. So the first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Tradingview account, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is where exactly or how can you create an account on Tradingview? Now it's pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and after doing that, it's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get into the website, just follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's steps, and that is how to withdraw money from Tradingview. So first, let's open up a chart. I'm going to show you. I'm open up this chart, which is Tesla. Of course, from the home page, you can just head over to search markets and search any of the markets. And when you open it, it's going to take you right into the chart. Okay, so let's say we're trading with any of those brokers, and you used paper trading. And then in paper trading, you set it to buy and sell, and you did everything that you want to do. Because let's say this is paper trading. Now over here, I'm just going to click on trade. And once you click on trade, you see that the positions are just going to be available. So this is it. So click on order. This is order. Set to the order tab. So set the price that you want to buy, and then you can check the ticks. You can set the ticks, set the shares, set the currency. You can also set take profit or stop loss, and you can just choose to buy, and also you can set this to sell and choose to sell this as well. Okay, so this is DOM, and this is like depth of market. All right, so or you can move this to sell. This is sell tab, so you can take it to the sell tab. I can take it to the buy tab. Now after doing that, all you just have to do, this is not real trading, it's not live trading, it's called paper trading. After doing that, let's see if it's possible for us to withdraw the money that we get on Tradingview. So over here, it says, after being automatically redirected, you can trade spot crypto directly from Tradingview interface. Now click the order panel, which we did, highlighted below to make a trade. Then enter your trade, which we did, your trade details on the other panel, and click the buy or sell button. Now this is very important for you to take note. Tradingview isn't an actual broker, so you can buy, sell, or trade assets on the platform. You can just check the bio, you can just check the trends, you can just check the analysis, everything going on within that market, but you cannot actually buy, sell, or trade. So that means you cannot withdraw and you cannot deposit money. So they are charting app used by traders and investors to track financial prices across multiple markets. So that's pretty much the process. You cannot directly withdraw money from Tradingview. So this is it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.